AlexMartStore, where creativity takes hold. Unique cups crafted with love. Each sip tells a story like art from above. Where creativity is the key. In every cup a world of possibilities you see. Sip by sip discovering the magic it brews. A cup shop where imagination pursues. In chilly mornings or under the bright sun, a personalized cup makes everything fun. Colors and shapes, expressions so true.